Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling verifiable records because accuracy is everything. Start with the most recent pay stubs, Form 1040s, 1099s, bank statements, and brokerage summaries. These show income and cash balances. Next, inventory assets, property, vehicles, brokerage accounts, and retirement accounts, so you can assign values. Simultaneously note liabilities like mortgages, auto loans, student debt, and outstanding credit cards. Once done, you'll have the raw inputs needed to compute net worth and prioritize which values need market or appraisals. Now you convert items into dollar values. For real estate, use recent sales comps and listings. For stocks and funds, use last trade prices. For private businesses, apply revenue or EBITDA multiples. For debts, record outstanding principal and include prepayment penalties or accrued interest. Make adjustments. Subtract estimated taxes on gains, apply liquidity discounts for non-public assets, and prorate ownership when shared. Make sure to document sources and methods. Later reconciliation depends on consistent valuation choices and traceable calculations. You finish by tallying totals, add all asset values, subtract total liabilities, and report the net worth with category subtotals. Then produce sensitivity scenarios, conservative, base, optimistic, so viewers see how market swings affect the number. Document all assumptions, valuation dates, and sources to make the estimate defensible. If numbers don't reconcile, check for double counting, omitted liabilities, or stale valuations. The key troubleshooting tip is to trace each line item back to its original document and correct classification before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.